Online homework will save you time in the long run, because you can share and keep these resources for future lessons, and you can reuse parts of the online resource for other lessons, and most importantly it will save time with marking. You can mark the work all together as a class, rewatching the video, giving your students verbal feedback.
Snowflakes swirled in the wind that moaned around the battlements. I turned up the collar of my cloak against the cold, and kept my eyes fixed on the place where the guards had told me they had seen my father's ghost. Horatio, my oldest friend, was with me. It was Horatio who had brought me the news that my father, the king, was dead, bitten by a snake while he was sleeping in the orchard. And it was Horatio who had stood by my side at my father's funeral. Something in me died too that day, and was sealed up in the royal tomb with my father. My grief was so great that it sucked the light and joy out of everything.
What emotion was he feeling after hearing the news and why? Use the text to support your answer.
Diamond Education Hub presents Online Learning.